Hey, how's it going? It's Nate, back with a quick little update. I got the tools that I ordered to get the race out. This is probably about all the free time I have today to work on the bike. Today's the day before Thanksgiving, so not sure I'm going to get anything else done until maybe next week, hopefully, fingers crossed. Um, I did a quick test. This is the Park Tool RT2 headset cup remover for bearings 35 to 55 millimeters. Um, when I checked the specs, it said it was going to seat properly on the race as far as the size of the race. So I put this feeds in from the bottom and this sits on top of the race, and then you can hit it out. It's nice, evenly dispersed. But unfortunately, the lip above the race prevented this from being able to flare out enough to sit on it. So this Park Tool came recommended. I've seen it work in a bunch of videos really well. Does not work for this specific setup. So instead, I had this tool, which is the tool that I already owned and could not find. I ordered another one. This is the $20 tool. This little lip here is going to go between the channel and hey, go somewhere else. Hold on. Dog's wandering around. So this is going to go between the lip of the race and the lip protecting it above for some reason. So you just put this in and expand it. This is a 12 millimeter socket. So I have not tried this yet, aside from just installing it to make sure that it would sit on the lip. It's in there good, and then you just use a punch from the top and knock it out. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. Holy shit, it worked. All right, so that was in real time. This is what was giving me so much trouble. It's out. This tool worked. Thank goodness. Now I can go put everything back together. I already know I can do everything else because aside from installing this race and the upper bearing, which I know I have the tools for because I already had them out, I've already done everything on this a couple times in the last couple weeks. So now it just is coming down to me having time to do it. But the race is out, and things can continue to progress. So hell yeah, happy holidays, and thank you for keeping up with my updates.